Hey guys, this is Way here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Today we're gonna walk around this 2020 Winnebago Revel. It's a used model, pretty rare. Most people tend to keep these coaches just because they're 4x4. It's got real low miles. Right here you see you got your parking sensors. This is Winnebago's signature step. It's a little wider, has a little bit more traction so you don't slip when you walk in. Here's your dog tie for those of you that have puppies. You got your Carefree awning out here. Got your outside prep area for those of you that like to barbecue outside, and the leg should be inside for this one. Got your acrylic windows and your removable ladder for those of you that like to mount things on the roof. And we'll go inside in a bit, but there's your rear screen. And you'll notice these bump outs on the sides for those of you that are a little bit taller, need a little bit more headroom in the bed area. It's your cassette toilet. Looks like they actually painted it to match the coach. Let's step inside. Right here you got your counter extension. Again, this is a 2020, so this area right here actually turns into a sleeper. For those of you that like to schedule an appointment to come look at it, we can demo that for you. Got a nice little storage area up here with all the cords. There's the cab area. You got a table behind the driver's seat. Here is the shower that some customers like to use for storage. So you have your shelves in there. Again, it's a cassette toilet, so that turns. And then you got your power drop-down bed and garage area. For those of you that like to bring gear along, there's tie-downs on the floor for that. And you got your outside shower in the rear. Again, my name's Way here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. If you want to stop by and take a look, just come by and ask for me.